what we are seeing is a tremendous mobilization across the European Central Bank and European governments and European institutions in the face of this crisis. Europe is particularly hard hit. Growth projections for next year are grim.
In the midst of the coronavirus epidemic, doctors go from shack to shack in a Roma shanty town in Saint Denis on the outskirts of Paris, checking if anybody is sick or has symptoms of COVID-19. Russian President Vladimir Putin says businesses will receive direct financial aid from the government to help them pay staff during the virus lockdown, as many companies are struggling to make ends meet.